Well, here we are, wandering otters at the Salinas Airshow. I'm going to give you a 360 view in a minute. Lots of stuff here. Oh wow, you can see, looks like a Navy Tomcat or F-15, probably an F-15. I could never tell them apart. And of course, the recruiters are out in full force. So here's from the ground. Look at that pink cement mixer. I'm wondering if that has something to do with the fight against breast cancer. Right? And what are you looking for, son? Okay, so how much is it? $7. $7, okay. That's it. Huh? Thank you so much. They're fresh, they're ready to go. All right. Oh, and there goes Robosaurus after his meal. I guess he just had lunch, right? All right, so now I think that's Blue Angels crew right there. So Blue Angels are here today. Lots of swag for the Blue Angels. Anyway, we're having a great time. Wish you were here. Wandering Otters saying hi. Hey, look for our live broadcast today from the air show. Maybe. We'll see.